Hello, it's Luke from Islington Sales. Today we have the 2017 17-plate Ford B-Max Titanium. This vehicle has a 1.6 petrol engine in the automatic transmission and has only covered 38,244 miles since new, with just the two previous registered owners. A couple of notable features of specification are rear parking sensors, reversing camera, rear sliding doors and 16-inch alloy wheels. If you do have any more questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle here at Islington, please give us a call on 01225 753 103 and we'll be happy to help.